So I just finished my project, everyone, and I want to see how it looks like when it runs, so let me go ahead and run it. Syntax error. Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on Python syntax errors. In this tutorial, we're going to go over what syntax errors are, some common causes of syntax errors, and how to fix them. So what are syntax errors? Syntax errors are errors that occur when the Python interpreter cannot understand the code that you have written. This can be caused by a number of different things, such as misspelled keywords, missing punctuation, incorrect indentation, invalid variable names, and using the wrong operator. Basically, the error is caused because you wrote or typed something invalid. Python has a number of reserved keywords, such as print, if, and else. If you misspell one of these keywords, Python will give you a syntax error. For example, if I forget to type the letter F in this if statement right here, Python will give me a syntax error. As you can see, I receive a syntax error in my console. So it's really important to make sure that you're writing your Python keywords correctly. Python also uses punctuation like parentheses, curly braces, colons, and brackets. If you forget to use one of these punctuation marks, Python will give you an error. For example, if I wanted to print hello world or hello into the console, and if I forget to type the parentheses, I will receive a syntax error because Python does not know what I'm trying to say. So make sure to write your Python punctuation correctly. Python also uses indentation to group blocks of code together. If you accidentally indent your code incorrectly, the Python interpreter will not understand which blocks of code belong together and will raise a syntax error. So make sure that your indentation is correct in Python. Invalid variable names can also cause syntax errors. Variable names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. If you try starting a variable name with a number, you will receive a syntax error. As you can see, if I hit run, I will receive a syntax error. And make sure to not contain numbers at the start of your variable names. That can give you an error. So how do you fix a Python syntax error? The first step to fixing a syntax error is to identify the error. The Python interpreter will usually give you a helpful error message that tells you where the error is located and what type of error it is. Once you have identified the error, you can fix it by correcting the mistake in your code. For example, if I forgot the quotation mark that usually ends right here, then I hit run, Python will usually give me a helpful message. It starts with syntax error and it states unterminated string literal. Unterminated meaning not closed or unfinished. And there's this tiny error that points to what the error is being caused by. As you can see, I can see that I started with a quotation mark but never closed it, so it's unterminated. Now all I have to do is go back to my code, locate where that error is being caused, and replace that error and fix it. Syntax errors are a common problem for beginners. However, by understanding the common causes of syntax errors and how to fix them, you can avoid these errors and write Python code that runs smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.